The Index of Industrial Production, IIP, tracks India's industrial performance. Now rebooted with base year 2022-23, reflecting the transformed industrial landscape, a refreshed item basket aligns with today's industry structure. Weights are based on GVA and GVO, offering a truer measure of industrial impact. Gas sector joins for the first time. Mining expands to include sand and other minor minerals. Methodological upgrades like factory substitution and seasonally adjusted series enhance accuracy. The result, timely representative signals across mining, manufacturing, electricity and gas. IIP Reboot, tracking India's real industrial pulse, releasing on 28th May 2026.